Welcome back, Super Spies. Today's episode is episode 10. It's called May I Have. Hello, Spies. Today I have a very important mission for you. You will have to do 3 important things. I have sent you a spy to-do list with all 3 parts of the mission today. The Super Spy Pup will bring it to you. Over and out, Super Spy Reader. Wow, so we get to meet the Super Spy Pup today. He's bringing us our goals for the day. Let's see. Oh my goodness, he is adorable. But he brought us our list. Let's read our 3 things that we have to do today. The first thing we have to do is learn the sight word have. The second thing is reading practice. And the third thing is spelling practice. Are you ready for our mission today? Of course you are, because you are a Super Spy Reader. Let's get started. Our word of the day is have. Can you say have? Great job. Like I have a friend named Jenny. Or you have a friend named Bob. The word is have. Let's look at the letters in this word. This word is spelled H-A-V-E. Spell it with me. H-A-V-E. Let's spell it again. H-A-V-E. Have. Spell it by yourself. Great job. H-A-V-E. Have. The letters are all jumbled up. Let's put them back in order. The first letter was H. Say H. Great job. Do you remember the second letter? A. Great job. Everybody say A. Now we have to call down our other letter. What was the third letter? V. Everybody say V. Great job. And what was the last letter? E. Everybody say E. Awesome sauce. So the letters in this word are H-A-V-E. And the word is have. Can you say it? Say it louder. Great job. Say it softer. Say it in your mind. What's the word? Have. The Super Spy always likes to be tricky. He took a letter. What letter did he take? H. He took the letter H. Say, Super Spy, we need an H. He gave us an H, but he took away another letter. What letter did he take? The E. He took the E. Say, Super Spy, we need the E. He gave us the E, but now he took 2 letters. What 2 letters did he take? H and A. Say, Super Spy, we need H-A. He just likes being tricky. He gave us our H and our A, but he took 2 more letters. What letters did he take? V-E. Say, Super Spy, we need our V and E. Whoa, now all of the letters are gone. What are we gonna do? Let's spell the word. H-A-V-E. Great job. And they appeared. Let's spell it again. H-A-V-E. What's the word? The word is have. Great job. Like I have a cell phone. Do you have a cell phone? Or I have a television. Do you have a television? Awesome. Our word is have. Say have. So now we've done our first part of our mission. We learned our sight word, which was the word what? Have. We can check that off. We learned the word have. So now that we have learned our first part, we've completed our first part of our mission, we have to go to our second part. Our second part is reading practice. Are you ready to practice reading? Of course you are. Stop. Before we can continue, you have to make sure you have all of your tools. Let's see what tools we need. We need a pencil. We need our magic reading finger. And you need the Have Reader and worksheet. Pause the video right here to make sure you have all of your SPY tools. Great job. So as we read today, we have to remember our SPY Reader tips. SPY readers always read from left to right, then top to bottom. SPY readers always read from left to right, then from top to bottom. Great job. What do super SPY readers use to point each word as they read? Their magic reading finger. Great job. They use their magic reading finger, my tongue got caught, to point to each word as they read. So we're going to make sure that we read from left to right, top to bottom, and that we use our magic reading finger to point to each word as we read. Are you ready? I know you're ready. Let's go. Make sure you have your Have Reader in front of you. I'm going to read and then you are going to repeat it. Put your finger on the first word. Each sentence starts with may I have. It starts with, say, may I have. Great job. I will read the sentence and then you will repeat it. Make sure you tap each word as we read. My turn. May I have lettuce? Your turn. Great job. My turn. May I have cheese? Your turn. Great job. Next sentence. My turn. May I have tomato? Your turn. Awesome. My turn. In my sandwich, please. Your turn. Great job. In my sandwich, please. So Ms. Stroud is going to read the whole thing, and I want you to point to each word as I read. Make sure you're following along and pointing with each finger. Are you ready? Let's go. Listen and point. May I have lettuce? May I have cheese? May I have tomato in my sandwich, please? Yummy! Great job. Did you tap each word? Awesome. We're going to look at this sentence, this part of this sentence. How many words do you see? Let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many words are in that part of the sentence? Great job. 4. How many words are in this sentence? You count them. How many did you say? 4, right. There are 4 words in this sentence. So let's look at our reader again. We have a few things that I'm going to ask you. The first thing I want to know is, what did they put on their sandwich first? Lettuce, great job. They put lettuce on their sandwich first. What was the last thing they put on their sandwich? Tomato, great job. Tomato was the last thing they put on their sandwich. What would you put on your sandwich? Really? Oh, yummy. I would put pickles. Super awesome. So now I want you to make sure you have your pencil, because now that we're done with our reading practice, we're moving into our spelling practice. We're going to practice spelling the word have. So make sure you have your pen. I want you to read our first sentence. It's the same sentences that were in our poem. Our first sentence was, may I have lettuce. So let's trace our word have. Are you ready? Go ahead and trace it. Great job. Let's read it again. May I have lettuce. Look at these two sentences. What word is missing? Have. So let's make sure that we write it in each sentence. Great job. Let's read this one. May I have cheese. Wonderful. Let's go to our last sentence and make sure we write our sight word in. Let's spell it. H-A-V-E. Have. Let's read our last sentence. May I have tomato in my sandwich, please? Yummy. Great job. What Miss Stroud wants you to do is read this poem to your mommies and daddies. Show them that you learned all you needed to learn today with our sight word have. You learned how to say it, you learned how to read it, and you learned how to spell it. Isn't that awesome? You should give yourself some shine. Great job. So we have now completed all parts of our mission. We learned the sight word have, check. We worked on our reading practice, check. And we worked on our spelling practice, check. We learned all 3 parts. Tell yourself, I'm super smart. Yes, you are. You are super smart. You did a great job today learning our sight word have and practicing your reading and spelling skills. Have a great spy afternoon.